How to increase or decrease brightness display on Windows 11. You can go to on another universe. Ups. Just kidding, sir. You can follow my pretty cool instruction here. Don't forget to pray, sir.so. Your day will be bright maybe, sir. If you don't understand, don't worry, sir. Cause this video maybe still exist. I hope you enjoy. I love you from another universe. You just need to relax, sir, and watch this video. White. Ok, this tutorial done here. You can increase and decrease brightness your laptop display now. But trust me, you can doing another perspective, using keyboard key combination like manual book tell you.
Yeah, I tell you this before you start using your laptop for doing something right in this world.
Ho ho ho, but don't worry. You are in the right way, sir.